Enhance your speaking skills. Everyday phrasal verbs. Abide by, meaning accept or follow a decision or rule. Example sentence, we have to abide by what the court says. Account for, meaning to explain. Example sentence, they had to account for all the money that had gone missing. Ache for, meaning want something or someone a lot. Example sentence, my partner has been away for a fortnight. I'm aching for her. Act on, to take action because of something like information received. Example sentence, the police acted on a tip received from an informer and caught the gang red-handed. Act on, meaning affect. Example sentence, the medicine only acts on infected tissue. Act out, meaning perform something with actions and gestures. Example sentence, they acted out the story on stage. Act out, meaning express an emotion in your behavior. Example sentence, their anger is acted out in their antisocial behavior. Act up, meaning behave badly or strangely. Example sentence, my computer is acting up. I think I might have a virus. Act upon, meaning to take action on information received. Example sentence, the police are acting on a tip-off. Act upon, meaning affect. Example sentence, the enzyme acts upon certain proteins. Add on, meaning include in a calculation. Example sentence, you have to add the VAT on to the price they give. Add up, meaning a mathematical total. Example sentence, we added up the bill to check if it was correct. Add up to, meaning have a certain result. Example sentence, train delays are getting worse and with the high fares it all adds up to misery for the commuter. Add up to, meaning come to a certain amount or figure. Example sentence, the total costs add up to several million euros. Agree with, meaning affect usually used in the negative to show that something has had a negative effect. Example sentence, I feel terrible. That food did not agree with my stomach. Aim at, to target. Example sentence, the magazine is aimed at teenagers. Aimed at, meaning intend to achieve. Example sentence, they are aiming at reducing costs by 10%. Allow for, meaning include something in a plan or calculation. Example sentence, you should allow for delays when planning a journey. Allow of, meaning make possible or permit. Example sentence, the rules don't allow for any exceptions. Angle for, meaning try someone indirectly by hinting or suggesting. Example sentence, he's been angling for an invitation, but I don't want him to come. Answer back, meaning to reply rudely to someone in authority. Example sentence, her mother was shocked when she started answering her back and refusing to help. Answer for, meaning be held responsible for a problem. Example sentence, the government should be made to answer for their failure to sort out the problem. Answer for, meaning speak on behalf of someone. Example sentence, I can answer for my partner because I know her position on this issue. Ask about, meaning ask how someone is doing, especially professionally and in term of health. Example sentence, he asked about my father. Ask after, meaning inquire about someone's health and how life is going. Example sentence, Jenny rang earlier and asked after you. I told her you were fine. Ask around, meaning ask a number of people for information. Example sentence, I have no idea. I will ask around work to see if anyone can help. Ask around, meaning invite. We asked them round for dinner. Ask for, meaning request or to be given. Example sentence, I asked for the menu. Ask in, meaning invite someone into your home. Example sentence, John's at the door, ask him in. Ask out, meaning invite someone for a date. Example sentence, he wanted to ask her out, but he was too shy. Ask over, meaning invite. Example sentence, they have asked us over for drinks on Friday. Ask round, invite someone. Example sentence, we asked John round for dinner. Auction off, meaning sell something in an auction. Example sentence, they auctioned off their property as they were heavily in debt. And that's the end of the letter A, phrasal verbs. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell, and you'll be ready for the next letter. Bye for now.